Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of dash cams with a special spotlight on the 70mai A810 4K dash cam. Man, that's a long name. So without any further delay, let's dive in. Having a dash cam in your car is like having a loyal co-pilot that never sleeps. It records everything so you can drive with peace of mind. Especially if you're hitting the road solo, a dash cam can save you from road rage incidents, hit and run situations. The benefits are endless. Now before we get started, just a quick heads up, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this puppy after doing a lot of research and I'm here to share my honest review. So I've been putting the 70mai A810 4K dash cam through its paces for a couple of months now, and let me tell you, I'm thoroughly impressed. So in the box, we get the main camera and the rear camera, as this is a dual camera setup. You also get two very long cables in the box. One is for the rear camera and one is a power cable which is USB Type-C. They even include a car charger which can charge up to 2 devices at the same time, which is a nice touch. Also in the box there are a couple of stickers and a plastic prying tool which can help you with cable management while installing the camera. You don't get a memory card included in the box, so that you'll have to purchase separately. First impressions are everything, right? As soon as you hold this dash cam, you can tell it's well crafted. It doesn't feel like it's made from cheap plastic. There's a solid heft to it. So this is the main camera, crystal clear 4K quality powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. Stay tuned, I will share a few of the recordings later down the video. The camera is fully adjustable, you can move it up or down, and of course while installing it you'll have to position the camera properly. I'll show you that as well. It also has a very decent mic that records everything. This is the power button, and over here is where you will mount it to your windscreen. On the opposite side there's a micro SD card slot supporting up to a whopping 256 GB of storage. I've dropped a link to the perfect memory card in the description because trust me, you'll want that extra space. 4K recordings gobble up storage faster than I can gobble down a slice of pizza. There's also a USB Type-C port for charging the dash cam and an AV input for the rear camera. Just a little FYI, the rear camera shoots in 1080p, not 4K. I'll let you judge the video quality of both cameras in just a bit. Here's the main screen. Spoiler alert, it's not a touch screen, but there are 4 buttons that help you navigate through all the settings of the camera. Alternately, you can even download the mobile app and control all your camera settings from here. Now let's take a peek at all the settings this dash cam has to offer. I'm going to connect it via the mobile app. You can see that the dash cam is showing up over here. I just tap on it and you can see over here it's asking me to join. So I click on join, and once it synchronizes the data, it's going to connect. When that's done, you can see it's going to show you a preview of what the camera is looking at. You can even switch between cameras. That's for switching to the rear camera. That's my gate blocking the view, so sorry about that. And you can switch it back. You can even go into albums from where you can access all the recordings, and these are the settings. Now you can select the kind of video format that you want, the resolution and the clip duration. You can change it to 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I left mine to 3 minutes. So whenever you download any particular file, it will be 3 minutes long, be it the front or the rear recording. I've left HDR to on, and this is the speed and coordinates watermark, which is very important, so I suggest you leave this on. You can choose to have the logo. I've left that off, and anti-flicker and all these settings I've left it default. Now if you buy the parking kit separately, these 3 features will also be available to you. Another great feature that this camera offers is ADAS. I personally didn't turn it on because my car already has ADAS in it, but this will come in clutch for a lot of people out there. Once you turn this on and go through the entire calibration process, which is a 5 to 7 minute process, you'll get fantastic overlays in your video like you can see over here. If you want to efficiently use ADAS, then I would suggest that you mount a separate device to your car, maybe like on the air vent or something, because you can't connect the camera app to your car and use CarPlay at the same time from one device. So having a separate device mounted in your car that will display what the camera sees with all the overlays is something which I would suggest. You can then of course adjust the speaker volume, the key tone, and you can even turn off record audio if you don't want audio to be recorded. I've left mine as on. I decided to give the whole installation process a whirl myself because why not? And let me tell you, it was surprisingly straightforward. I think I did a bang up job routing the wires in my car. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. So you can see I've routed the wires from here and it's gone all the way into the car and it's gone to the back. That's where the rear camera is, and it wasn't very difficult because they do include a plastic tool that helps you route the wire. If you look closely, there's also a sticker over here. So you first need to put the sticker on the windshield and then your camera will mount to it with that particular mounting device. Now, talking about video quality, it's definitely top notch. The Sony sensor really ups the game, and filming in 4K is crisp and clear both in day and night. The rear camera is decent as it is only 1080p, but you'll notice the quality drops during night time. But when we do a number plate test, the main camera captures details perfectly, and that is exactly what you need in a dash cam. Plus, you'll get the speed and coordinates watermark at the bottom of the video, super handy during an interaction with authorities or insurance. There's also an extra perk. You can purchase a parking kit separately, allowing your dashcam to continuously record even when your car is parked. I didn't think I needed that feature, but it's good to know that it's available. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the drawback. Honestly, I had to dig deep for this one, but here it is. The memory card only works on Windows laptops and not on Mac. Why? Well, the dashcam formats the memory card when you first insert it, and the format it uses is not supported by the Mac. But you can always use your phone to connect to the dashcam via their app and access all your recordings from there. It's a minor inconvenience really. To wrap it all up, the 70mai A810 is a fantastic dashcam which performs like a champ. You definitely won't regret adding this to your car. It is a bit on the pricier side, but when it comes to security, it's a small price to pay, especially with the kind of traffic that we have to deal with on a daily basis. If you're from India, you know what I mean. If you're interested in getting one, I've left links down below for both the dashcam and the memory card. It's an affiliate link. It will not cost you anything extra, but I'll earn a small commission if you do decide to purchase it using my link. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.